Or have you got one at the front? What's that on the front there?
Oh, that's the motor, yeah, plugged into A. That's just for the core.
Right, yep.
So I'm fascinated by the linear actuators. Tell us about those.
Well, what do you mean?
Well, I haven't come across it before in the competition, so pretend I know nothing about them.
So when
you don't have to pretend that, actually.
When the robots see silver, they come down because they can, like, you know, retract and expand.
Yep.
So they go down. The robot looks for the can. Once it sees the can and once it gets close enough, this motor will grab it.
Yes.
And with the linear actuators, it'll start like raising the robot up. Because as this comes out, the can goes up, and then it'll search for the block. Once it finds the block, they retract, so it drops the can, and then the motor opens up, so it lets go of the can.
Okay. So can you show us just by hand that motion, or will they not?
Well, we can't retract them.
Okay. Can you retract them with a bit of code, just to demo?
We'll need. Oh yeah, we can run one of our, like for example.
All that.
Guys, nice.
It needs silver. Yeah.
That's just what we run at the start. So we start with this high.
Yeah. And what's the mechanism inside the linear actuator? How's it working?
Oh, it's like an axle. So you have
a big screw thread.
Yeah. So you have the thread on this one as well. So it's like a cylinder.
Yeah.
Hollow, and then inside you have the axle. And then screw.
Okay. And where do you get them?
Online. Through Gelly.com.
Okay. Yep.
And RCJA is stocking them as well.
Okay. And how do you know where they are? How does the program know where they're positioned, whether they're up or down?
Well, we have like where you can download the manual.
Yep.
And then you can select the ports. You have operate motors. You can go both motors. Or you can change it to like read encoders or read the voltage.
So it's just run on the time?
Yeah.
Setting a time period,
Okay.
Pretty much the same as any other block except...
All right. So just the supplier of the linear actuator has a special block to use? Yeah. Okay.
So how are you actually driving each of the motors? So which port is that one going to?
That one's going to A.
A.
And these two B and C. And then we have the multiplexer. And these two
Right. So they're separate?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So you've got... So those both go into the multiplexer. And does each of those motors lead directly to the brick?
Yeah.
So there's 1, 2, 3, that's just 3 ports?
Yeah. And then, because the multiplexer connects to one of the sensor ports. So, and then we would down one sensor, so to get a sensor multiplexer over that.
Alright, so you're driving the linear activators through the sensor port?
No, yeah. So the sensor port connects to that, yeah. And we have a sensor multiplexer as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
So why do you need 2 ultrasonic sensors?
One of them's to see the can, so at the start. Yep, so we can see the can. So once it goes up, then we can use the bottom one to see the block.
Okay.
So it'll be easy,
Yeah, alright.
Instead of having one at the bottom, because that could see the block and the can, like when we go around.
Okay, I see, understand. Yep. Well, very clever. What else do we need to know? How do you do gridlock?
We haven't done that yet. We can't do the last screen.
You cross your fingers?
Yeah.
And is there anything you've changed in your design?
From
if you're going to be doing it next year?